Hi, I'm Dr. Cath Watson. PD Insurance has asked me to talk to you today about why you should get regular health checks for your pet. The biggest reason you should think about getting regular checkups for your pet is that they can't talk to you. They can't tell you when things are going wrong. They also tend to have a shorter lifespan than us. So whereas we might end up going to the doctor maybe once a year, maybe once every couple of years, when you think about the lifespan of the dog, that's like going every 5 years or maybe even 10 years. That's a long time in the lifetime of a dog, and a lot can change. And because they can't talk to you, and they don't necessarily go around flashing their teeth to show you what they look like, then we don't necessarily know that there's anything wrong with them at all. So when you go and get your checkup, or your dog or your cat gets a checkup at the vet, they're going to get a head-to-toe examination. That's going to help check things like ageing changes in eyes, what condition are the teeth in, is there lots of tartar there, or have they even got loose teeth? Are there lumps and bumps that are forming under the skin or even in the abdomen? Have they got a heart murmur? What's their weight like? Because at the end of the day, we all see lots of dogs out on the street, but how do we know what's normal? There's an awful lot of fat dogs out there now, and it's definitely realigned our belief in what weights dogs should be. And I can tell you now, as a vet, we get a number of people that come in thinking their dogs are too skinny when they're actually a really good weight, and it's just because all the dogs everyone else sees are overweight. So when you're at the vet and they have the health check, the other thing you're going to get out of that is life stage advice. So what should you be doing when your dog's a puppy? What about when they're an adult in the prime of their life? And more importantly, they're going to age. What can you do to help them age with dignity and without pain? Because that's a really hard thing to pick up in your dogs at home, that your vet is going to be able to tell where they're sore and give you some advice on how to best manage that. So they're going to be able to recommend a healthcare plan, and ultimately it's going to help your pets live a healthier and longer life.